Okay.
I like my P51. It's way more beat up than yours, but it's a fun flyer.
We got the GoPro Hero 11 strapped in the P51. Dry run for potential FPV action at some point.
Motors armed.
Oh yeah, let me get my sunglasses. All right.
It would have been kind of cool if you just took your canopy and made machine gun holes and cracks and left them.
Oh yeah, that would have been cool.
Make it like Iron Maiden.
Take off flaps.
Woo!
Flaps up. Gear up.
That's just kind of how you have to do that.
That would take off pretty good and safe.
Does it? Damn straight, Merca. It actually flies just about no trim necessary.
You've got such a heavy battery that the camera on the seat is not going to take care of it.
No, I don't think so.
We need to pass.
That's what we're gonna get.
Bring one right between my car and your truck.
Yeah, we'll get close.
Still pulling all that.
You got a long, low corner path.
Oh yeah, yeah. I'm gonna do a.
We do a headwind deal.
I don't know.
We know it.
Yeah, I'm gonna try and do a little reversal like this. Well, I'm gonna come in over the street and then go out to the corn. Yeah, skim that damn corn, dog dang it. You shucking the damn corn.
I want to see it, bro.
Try to do another down the street here, maybe.
Yeah. That's what we need that day. Yeah. Split that out.
Make sure I have enough elevator to get out of that because I almost didn't.
Time one.
Yeah, you're an AS3X.
Okay, let's do a slow pass
Take
here.
off flaps. Landing flaps.
Do a sketchy slow pass.
Take off flaps. Flaps up.
Even sounds fair. Flight time you do that.
About 4 minutes.
Really? I think I get.
Yeah, I mean, I bring mine as storage, so I could probably get another minute or two out of it if I.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll probably. Yeah, that's probably a good idea. Okay, setting up. All right.
Landing flaps.
Yeah. See if I can taxi back or if it's gonna just not have enough rudder with that wind.
Yeah, sometimes that makes it where you have to go fast. Okay?
Yeah. No, I don't think it's gonna. The ground handling on this thing is like the fucking worst. It's a fucking piece of shit.
What I did with mine, with all my short wheelbase tail draggers,
Like there's nothing you could do. Like I can't even go
I
straight.
go with the real high expo on my high rate rudder.
Yeah.
That way I can finesse the.
I mean, that's full left rudder. That's just a hunk of shit.
Made it back. Right side up.
Throttle
Kill
tap
it.
on.
Yeah.
I like it. Good flight. Good night.
I guess I got one more battery. I'll use that real quick.
Yeah. Then I'm gonna